it. We're just waking up. Day 2. Looks like we're already halfway through our journey all the way to Vigo, Spain. So we actually overslept today. It's 11 a.m. boat time. And
a little rocky this morning.
yeah, we're definitely moving a little bit rocky. From what other cruisers are saying, it's not the usual rockiness, but
Makes me a little nervous for the Atlantic.
right. We'll see where we are once we cross these waters, because I hear those are rougher. So we're going to Vigo, then we go down to Lisbon, and then we go across. So this is how much we've done so far.
Hi, people.
Wait, where did they go?
Keep watching.
These are fun elevators. Our son really likes them.
Look.
Because they have hidden
there!
characters.
A dog. Bird.
Dumbo. Incredibles.
Donald Reenact.
Goofy.
The Goofy ride.
On pool A, on deck 8 by the pool, you can actually watch movies, chill. They play Disney movies throughout a lot of the day. Okay, so we're at pub 687. If you're looking for craft beers, this is going to be your go-to spot. So we're a big fan of the wheat beers. So this is what we're going with.
Good German beer.
Franziskanner beer.
Franziskanner.
Probably butchering it.
Franziskanner.
It is one of the tents on Oktoberfest. So it's a solid one. One thing that's cool is that the tables are made out of chessboard, so you can just come chill and play. And you get cool views of the ocean.
Yeah, look at the water.
I see that. got a nice surprise in our door.
Oh, I thought you
So big props to
Marla.
Marwa ahead.
Mickey Mouse.
Look, a Mickey key.
Oh, look at that.
And a
I want
sticker.
I want this. And the candy.
And a candy. Let's see
I
what's in
want
this one.
this.
Okay.
So one thing we definitely recommend is you come for the captain's reception. So I believe on a traditional itinerary, they do it the day off. In this case, they're doing it in formal night. You basically get an opportunity to take a photo with the captain, and they come around and pass out free drinks. I mean, who can deny a free drink? So they have beers, like cocktails, wine. So it's really nice. So you can do it before dinner. And just come and take it anywhere. There's two of them. And there's two of them, yes. So if you have the early dinner, you can just come to the later one. If you have the late dinner, definitely come to the early one. So we highly recommend it. Today we're dining at Royal Palace.
And like you see here for all over the restaurant, picture of princess and prince are posted on the wall. And in the center there, in the left, they have stuff like a Cinderella shoes still hanging there. Right now, here will be some of French food, which is really nice.
So this is the overbaked salmon royale, crowned with king's smoked salmon, horseradish crust, accompanied by sauté Swiss chard, truffle cauliflower puree, and wine sauce Beurre Blanc. Yummy, yummy. And this one we're calling the Chateaubriand roasted fillet steak. I believe that's a medium cut right here.
Yes.
With crushed potatoes, red wine juice,
It's very good. Yes, thank you.
and some of the sauce on the side. What do you think?
It's really good.
Does
I
it?
like the sauce, the Bernaise sauce. They said it's like egg yolk, it's spicy.
Yeah. Love the dessert menus here at Royal Palace. Killian, how's the cheesecake?
Good.
You like it? All right.
Oh, thank you.
Look at it through lightning.
This is why people gain weight at cruises. This stuff right here, right?
Did you see Vicky around the sea already?
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought like I saw Donald Duck
Donald Duck.
and I saw Mickey Mouse too.
Yeah, did you give them hug? Yeah? Give me a five.
Little rabbit.
Yeah.
Yeah, chocolate.
Yeah, thank you so much.
All right, so looks like today we got looks like some type of bird.
I think it's like, bird or
Yeah, you can see
Come
the
in here.
mouth right there. That's really nice.
Dad, come in.
All right, what do they do for you? Oh, look at that! That's cool. Is that oh, that's Hulk.
That's Marvel.
Yes.
Hulk.
Yeah, so we had heard that if you ask,
Where's
they'll
my-
do surprise stuff
Where's
like this,
my Mario?
but they don't do it by default. And so I did ask the stateroom person the previous day, hey, can you, are there any like character sheets? And it looks like they came through, so that's really nice. So it's one of the nice touches, you know, they really customize stuff here for you. So if you're unsure, just ask, and you know, it looks like they're gonna go above and their way to make your stay more enjoyable. So that definitely doesn't hurt to ask.
So we just got out of the Golden Mickey's, our first time seeing the show. We're not allowed to record or take pictures of the show, so we didn't get a lot of footage, but it was a really cute show, like a kind of a smaller scale Broadway type show. They did have several characters that showed up, several of your like classic Disney songs. I thought it was really cute. We didn't bring Killian just because I didn't think he would have the like patience to sit there for an hour or so. I think he would have liked the characters and stuff that showed up, but probably would have been bored during this. I think if you have maybe a little bit older kids, they'd really like it. But
Yeah, we debated, but we figured probably not enough to keep him entertained for, how long was it, like 45?
Yeah, like an hour.
45 minutes. So probably a safe bet. He's in the kids club, he's loving it. But yeah, nice show. You get to learn a little bit about the history. I think they're trying to go for like the inspirational theme.
Yeah.
So you can kind of pick up some of those things, and yeah, you see a lot of highlights and some great acting performances. So overall, good show. If you can catch them, they do have two. So one early in the day, one later in the evening. So you can adjust depending on your dining reservation.
Yeah.
Overall, a great second day. So it's been good so far. It's been a little rocky, but
Cold and windy today.
cold and
But
windy.
still fun.
So we're excited for upcoming summer days. We can actually go out and enjoy the pool. We've seen just a few handful of people, and they're probably mostly British because they're used to the cold. We're from Arizona, so we like the warm climates. So to us, this is a little bit too chilly, but yeah, hopefully as we cross the Atlantic, it's a little bit sunnier. I don't know. We'll see.
I think now we're probably just going to go get Killian and settle down for the night. Tomorrow's our first port stop in Vigo, Spain, so try to get some sleep and wake up early
Yeah.
to do that. So we'll see you tomorrow.
So here's the downside of the kids club.
Killian,
Your
did you want
kid
to
might
stay
not
longer?
want to leave.
You want to go again tomorrow?
This is 10 p.m. local time.
I know we gotta go to bed.
We're trying to go to bed.
Go back.
And Killian doesn't want to leave.